Welcome back to the channel, guys. So I'm just in the middle of doing a quick update to the software update on the UNIDEN R3 that I have right over here. And I found a couple of videos online how to do it, and I guess they're a little bit older. And I wanted to sort of show you guys, it's actually a lot easier to do it now. So basically, if you go to your support.uniden.com, you can, I'll bring you to this page. And if you go to the firmware tab right over here, all you have to do is basically download the latest UNIDEN software, which is this. And then once you actually download this the software, you don't physically need to go in and download the firmware updates like you had to previously. So basically, all you're going to do is you're going to connect via your mini USB into your computer. You're going to pull up the software. You're going to ask it to, it should recognize the device. Like in mine, it says connected, and then it'll tell you, what version that you're using. So in this case, I'm using 1.4 or 146.205.114, which is literally about a 6-year-old update because I've never updated this since I bought it. I guess that was back in 2018. And now the latest version is 160.219, which is as of April 2023. So you literally connect your radar detector. It should say connected, then you're going to hit start update, and this window right here should pop up, and this is literally it's just downloading it by itself. So this should be a pretty straightforward update. It'll probably take a couple minutes. When I started this, the timer came up saying about 5 minutes, and now obviously it's down to about a minute. So I'll just keep recording, basically, just to show you guys how it all works out. But yeah, about a minute left. So I just wanted to sort of do a quick update because there are a couple of videos up on YouTube already, which I use to sort of go through the process. And when I got to downloading the firmware, I was having some issues. And I was like, you know what, let me just plug in the radar detector to the computer, see what happens. And once I pulled up the UNIDEN R series tool, it brought me straight to this page. So it seems to be quite straightforward. Now, a lot easier than having to actually download the firmware, then extracting and then loading it onto the radar detector. All right, so it's showing about 10 seconds left. Let's see how it goes. All right, update completed. Okay, and there you go. So now it's showing the model number and the version that I'm running, and obviously this is the latest one. So that's all you're going to do, and then I can literally just disconnect this, and I should be good to go. And now, typically, when you do a firmware update, you should then go back and restore to the factory settings, just so everything sort of is up to speed, and it all sort of the firmware sort of sticks, I guess. Anyways, guys, hope this video was helpful. Please like, subscribe, and I'll have more content coming your way shortly.